Hi, third graders. It's Mrs. Megan here. So, yesterday we learned about what theme was. And it's that big idea. And so, I thought some of you might be thinking, isn't that the same thing as a main idea? So, I wanted to talk to you today about what's the difference between theme and main idea. So, remember, theme is what you think about, what you learn after you walk away from the story. So, what does the author want you to remember after you leave? It's more than just the plot and the characters and the setting, but it's what the story is truly about. It's what is at the heart of the story. What are we learning after we walk away? So, some common themes that you'll see weaved throughout texts are to be prepared. Actions speak louder than words. Practice pays off. Don't wait until the last minute. Helping others brings rewards. Don't be jealous of what others have. And always tell the truth. So, I'm sure many of you are reading books right now, and a little light bulb is going off and saying, yes, jealousy is a theme of what's going on right now in my book, or friendship is a theme. I'm definitely seeing that family is important is a theme of what's going on in my book. So you're starting to think now that you know a little bit more about theme. What is your book sharing with you? What is it showing you? What's important about life? So, a theme can be a lesson for anyone's life, and it's not specific to the story. And what I mean by that is when we're stating the theme of a text, we are not referencing particular characters or events in the book. Let me show you what I mean. So, a theme is a message or a lesson from the story that you can apply to your own life. The theme answers the question, what does this story tell me about life? So, actions speak louder than words, or it's okay to be different, be kind, and teamwork is important. Notice there's not specific characters mentioned, or problems or resolutions mentioned. It's just what do we walk away learning? You'll see with the main idea, that's a sentence that explains what the story is mostly about. And we did so much work with this winter. We often think with main idea, what's one sentence that shows what the story is mostly about? So if we were reading Because of Winn Dixie, we might say something for the main idea like, Opal is a new girl to town that befriends many with her big heart and her gift of talking. So that's the main idea. And if we were talking about Peter's chair, we might say that Peter is frustrated with his family for painting all of his old baby things, but then realizes he doesn't need them anymore. So that's very specific. That's the main idea of the text. But maybe for theme for Peter's chair, we might have the theme of change or that change is difficult but important to make. Right? So you see how I could make a theme out of the main idea. I take what the characters learned and I apply it to my own life. I make it broader. So change is difficult, but important. That could be the theme. So today, what you're going to do is you're going to be listening to the book, The Invisible Boy. Now, I know many of us have enjoyed this text before, whether it being the book of the month or with Miss Turetsky, but it is such an amazing text that I think we learn a lot about from reading it. So this would be perfect for us to practice a theme. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into Seesaw, and your teachers have assigned this activity to you. It's called The Invisible Boy theme. So click on the link in the upper right-hand corner where it says link to watch the video. It's going to bring you to a read aloud of The Invisible Boy. After you're done watching the text being read to you, you're going to edit a template. It's going to look like a notebook paper that says, I think one theme of The Invisible Boy could be, and you're either going to use the text tool to write or the microphone to record answering that question, what is one theme of The Invisible Boy? So, what is something that we can learn from listening to this book? So, good luck, third graders. Try theme today. Don't worry about if you're not getting it right, you're just giving it a try. All right, remember, big idea that we can learn from reading the text. Good luck, third graders.